Hello everyone, welcome to another video of reading comprehension. We are applying different reading strategies and techniques on a reading comprehension and trying to solve it within a limited time bound. So you will learn how to apply those strategies, and I'll also make you understand how to annotate a text, which means to make notes on the text while reading. You can make notes on the text, which helps you identifying, make it easy for you, right? You can highlight, you can underline, you can write a word's meaning or important information. So it's a good strategy that is known as annotation. We'll also apply skimming, scanning, inference, contextual reading, intensive reading as well. So let this is a passage. So whenever you are reading, just read the first line and then move towards the questions. So first line, tell me about what type of text it is. It's a narrative, descriptive, expositive, what type it tells me. So these are HSSC papers, AKUEB, or you can use these reading strategies for any reading exam that you are preparing. So shuffling about his library at Menlo Park, whatever the location is blue eyes sparkling stains, chemical burns on his wrinkled clothing. So there is a description of a person, who this person is. This is Thomas Alva Edison, and someone is narrating his story. So third person point of view narration is there. So it's about the life of Thomas Edison. So from there, first line, I guess I get the following information. So let us jump into the questions. In line 1 to 2, the description of Thomas Edison. We read the description in line 1 to 2, and the description of Thomas Edison, what it provide, it's an analysis of his competence. No, nothing like that mentioned. It's a description of his luxurious life. No, nothing like mentioned there. No luxurious life. Description of his midlife crisis. No mention of any crisis. So this option is left. There is a contrast to his accomplishment. Although he's a very accomplished man, scientist, discovered, invented many things, but he lived a very simple life, wrinkled clothing, etc. So it's not right. Contrast. Underlined part of the paragraph 1 indicates it. So we'll read quickly, skim quickly, underline part of the paragraph 1. This is paragraph 1 and this is underlined part. Once, when a dignitary, visiting with dignitary, a person right with a higher rank, dignitary, asked him whether he had received many medals or awards, he said, means Thomas Edison, he said, "Oh, yes, mom's got a couple of them at the house." So, who is mom here? Mom is his wife, means the narrator's mother. And who is narrator here? From here, this line, I can guess that the narrator is Edison's sons, right? And he's asking about his father, asked his father that these medals matter to you. So, from here, he responds is that oh yes, mom's got a couple of them. So let us move into the questions options. The underlined part of paragraph 1 indicates that Thomas Edison had a good sense of humor, or he did not want any reward. These both options can be possible, right? Because he's not concerned about being validation or being rewarded. Or this line also reflect his good sense of humor. This lines makes you laugh, right? So this both can be correct. Paragraph 2 is organized to mainly show paragraph 2. We will skim paragraph 2 and look for its organization with the information, how information is organized. Paragraph 2, skim it. Yet every day to those of us who were close to him demonstrated great as his. Okay, is talking about his contribution, means contribution of Thomas Edison's to mankind. Is talking about his invention, that his inventions are 1093 inventions in his lifetime. And it's also talking about, this line is important, right? Although he's invented many things and like this, but what the narrator is liking about him, that narrator is impressed by his courage, his good imagination, determination, and humility and wit. So So passage paragraph 2 is organized to mainly show it mainly shows author's feeling about Edison. Yes, the paragraph 2 will get an idea that the author was impressed by his feeling. Obviously is expressing his feeling that I'm expressed by those qualities of Thomas Edison. Which of the following features has not been used in paragraph 1 and 2 to describe Thomas Edison? Yes, he talked about this courage, imagination, determination. There is no mention of dignitary. Line number 11 and 12. Thomas Edison told his son that accomplishing something provides the only real satisfaction in life. So this sentence shows that what this sentence shows about Thomas Edison. Read the sentence again. Accomplishing something provides the only satisfaction. So what is the satisfaction for Edison in his life? Is to accomplish something, to get succeed in something, or to doing something. Accomplish also means to do something, right? So it's about ambition, his ambition or desire to accomplish something, to do a task, or get to your goal. So accomplishing something is the real satisfaction. There is no mention about courage, there is no imagination of it. So it's ambition to do something, to accomplish something, to complete a task. The most important invention of Edison in the discuss, so we'll skim where his inventions are mentioned. His inventions are mentioned here in this passage, right? His successes are well, and his phonograph, which invented he was 30, and what he did through this phonograph, he captured the sound on records, and then his incandescent bulb lighted the world, right? This can be most important. Why? Because this invention contributed to the entire world. It lighted the world. So from here, yes, I don't need to read further because this invention is most important because it lighted the world. So in paragraph 5, most important invention bulb is mentioned. Next question. By talking about few failures Thomas Edison faced during his life, the author is trying to criticize him? No, is the only purpose of mentioning the failures of Thomas Edison is that despite all these failures, Thomas Edison didn't give up. He remained consistent and persistent. So it's about showing his persistence. He had an understanding of investing in new endeavors. The narrator is saying that Thomas Edison, he had an understanding of investing in new endeavors. So the given sentence would best fit and enhance the meaning of the paragraph. So it's about investment where money, finance is mentioned. We'll read from the text again that he is understanding of investing in new endeavors. Investing in new endeavors where invention is mentioned. Investing. Sometimes it is there. The answer is new failure frequently. His first project failure recorder, but maneuver-minded legislator refused to buy it, but he never hesitated out of fear. And then paragraph 7, his attitude towards money. Yes, this one. His attitude towards money or lack of it was similar, right? Is no concern about money, whether he has a lot of money or not, and he consider it as a raw material. Money is a raw material like a metal, and he never amassed, means he never piled up money, he never collected or gather money, hoard money, you can say. And although he also remained bankrupt as well because of his poverty, not hoarding money, because money is not his motivation. So here I can guess that the best sentence that would best fit and enhance the meaning of the paragraph is 7. In paragraph 7, there is a mention of this investing money, etc. His attitude towards money. In paragraph 7, it is mentioned. Thomas Edison's love for new discoveries in science led him to Stress, no mention of stress. Bad patience, no, it's not mentioned in the text. Loneliness, you need to differentiate between isolated and lonely. Why? Because these are different things. You can isolate yourself, right? He did, right? He isolated himself in his laboratory, not interacted with people, only concerned about his inventions, but he's not lonely. Lonely is different from isolation. So Edison's love for new discoveries in the science led his to bankruptcy. It's mentioned in a seventh paragraph that his love for invention is not concerned about money, so sometimes he has to fell short of money, bankruptcy. So this is his passion for invention due to the. And the last one, the tone of the author throughout the passage shows that the author is appreciative. Yes, he is appreciating Thomas Edison for his endeavors, efforts, his persistence, etc. So I hope you get the idea. Thank you for watching. If you need feedback on the listening, close passages, and other paper as well, you can tell me in the comments. Thank you.